Good morning, all. Let us discuss Lesson 18 Pollution of Air and Water, Part 3. Today, let us start definition of water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful compounds. Whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals, etc., get mixed with water, the water becomes polluted. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Different causes of water pollution are marine dumping, industrial waste, sewage. Sewage mainly from households. Impact of water pollution. Infectious diseases such as typhoid and cholera can be contracted from drinking contaminated water. This is called microbial water pollution. The human heart and kidney can be adversely affected if polluted water is consumed regularly. Other health problems associated with polluted water are poor blood circulation, skin lesions, vomiting, and damage to the nervous system. In fact, the effects of water pollution are to be the leading cause of death for humans across the globe. Now we can discuss a case study, that is River Ganga. Ganga is one of the most famous rivers in India. Millions of people depend on it for their daily needs and livelihood. However, recently a study by the World Wide Fund for Nature found that Ganga is one of the 10 most endangered rivers in the world. The pollution levels have been rising for many years. The sources of pollutants are human waste, Haridwar Dam, dead bodies of human and animals, religious practices, industrial waste and municipal waste. In fact, the river is dead at many places where the pollution levels are so high that aquatic life cannot survive. An ambitious plan to save the river called the Ganga Action Plan was launched by Rajiv Gandhi in 1986 in order to reduce the pollution load on the river. The pollutants are human waste like domestic usage, bathing, laundry and public defecation, industrial waste, that is dumping untreated waste into it, and religious events. During festival seasons, people bath in the Ganges to cleanse themselves for their sins. A Hindu belief is that dropping the ashes of cremated bodies in the Ganges would give moksha to the jiva. Many industries discharge harmful chemicals into rivers and streams, causing the pollution of water. The Ganga at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh has one of the most polluted stretches of the river. Kanpur is one of the most populated towns in UP. People can be seen bathing, washing clothes and defecating in the river. They also throw garbage, flowers, gods and goddesses and non-biodegradable polythene bags into the river. At Kanpur, the amount of water is comparatively small and the flow of the river is very slow. In addition, Kanpur has more than 5,000 industries. These includes fertilizer, detergent, leather and paint industries. These industrial units discharge toxic chemical waste into the river. So my dear students, based on the above information, think of the answers of these questions and send me the answer.